Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Jason. Today is Sunday, day before President's Day. Looks like Ethereum's going on a pretty nice run right now. It looks like, according to this website, Ethereum's up to 132.79. Others have it around 131. Let's see, let's look what I'm doing on the chart. Oh, there's no charts here. Let's see, just a second. There we go. As you can see, the charts are looking pretty good. Here's the 24-hour chart, one-day chart for today. As you can see, it started off pretty flat. Going through here, then all of a sudden right around this area started to bump up here. Kind of pulled back a little bit, and now it's on a steady incline now. It looks like we're going to really start going up now. We're going to start pushing the 130 to 135 barrier. Some are saying maybe 150 to 160 by tomorrow morning, President's Day, so we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the... Actually, here we go. Let's take it the top 100, the top 5 market cap for crypto today, the currency cap. It looks like, by refreshing, it looks like Bitcoin is still at the number 1 spot at 64 billion market cap. Ethereum is 13.911 billion. It looks like XRP is at 12.456 billion, and Litecoin is still in the number 4 spot, which is good, at 2.648 billion, and number 5 is EOS still. So it looks like a lot of there really hasn't been much change in the market cap lately, which, things being stable, that's good. And let's see, here's the chart for Bitcoin. Getting into the technical analysis here. Put it on the 24-hour chart. Excuse me. Looks like the chart's pretty much the same as it was yesterday. A lot of consolidation going on. Still stuck in that channel. It looks like it's starting to break out a little bit here. Could be testing the $3,600 to $3,700 range pretty soon. That's good. Going on to Litecoin. Let's see what their chart looks like. Take me just a moment here. And it looks like Litecoin's pretty much taken about the same kind of stance as Bitcoin, almost identical. So you can see it's been stuck in this channel for quite a long time, and it's now starting to peak there, and it's going to be hitting 44 again. It's been a bit of red day today. It's been $43 pretty much, trading sideways all day today. And there's some thoughts that Litecoin could retest the $37 range, or it could jump up to the $45 range. It's just, nobody really knows what's going to happen with that. I'm hoping that it pushes back up to the $50 range. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ethereum's been a monster today. It has had a lot of volume. It's had a huge spike. Let's check out Ethereum's chart here. As you can see, Ethereum right now is, on this side, is touching 132.67. And let's see what the 24-hour chart looks like. Oh yeah, that's a lot of nice movement. It was stuck in this channel as well for a long time, and we're finally starting to break out. As I've said in previous videos, I own 1 Ethereum right now, but I'm gonna hopefully eventually start accumulating myself. You know, that's what I've always been told, is you buy on the dips and you sell on the highs. Buy lows and sell highs. And it looks like it's going to be testing the 136 level. Right now we're at the 132 level, so I'm guesstimating, and barring a major pullback, I would say maybe by midnight tonight it could be in the 136 range, and hopefully maybe by tomorrow morning in the 140 range. And If it keeps it up, who knows? Maybe by tomorrow afternoon it could be in the 150 range. But I am very bullish on Ethereum right now. As I said, I do hold Ethereum. There was a point where I had all my money into Litecoin, but I think I've decided that instead of bouncing my money around, I'm just going to go ahead and keep my money into Litecoin. And as I get, Ethereum. As I get more, I will purchase Litecoin. But right now, I'm really bullish on Ethereum right now. Ethereum is where it's at right now because it just seems like there's a lot of volume. As you can tell, there is just a lot of volume going on with Ethereum because we've got the hard fork coming up at the end of the month, which I've been told what that's going to do is it's going to make the amount of reward you get for a block. It's going to cut the amount. I can't recall exactly how much you're going to get, but I know that miners are going to get a significant less of a reward, and I think that's going to be a really good because I think in turn that's going to help cut down the supply. So anything like that's going to be good for Ethereum, and I'm just very bullish on Ethereum, and I'm hoping that eventually it'll return to the $200 mark maybe by the end of the summer. Well, that's about going to sum it up for today. I hope you guys have a good afternoon, and I will holler back at you tomorrow.